Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Vanguard client services. First you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. You need to type on vanguard.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top right there's this contact us icon. You need to open that contact us. So from here what you need to do is you need to scroll a bit down until you find this personal investors number, support, center FAQs and more. What you can do is you can simply open this, suppose center FAQs as well. And over here, if you find any relatable topics, what you can do is you can open it. And from here, you can simply get this instruction. And if you need to speak with a representative, you can go back. And over here, there's this number to call here for the personal investors. And over here, scroll a bit, and for the institutional investors, you can call this number. And over here, before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.